back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
This is a day after my my POP. Yes, so guys, this is Bukumi. Yeah. She's my friend from way back. Like last week I was doing play with tire. So it has been since then. So she came to Abeokuta to do something and she's going back. So the main gist is she wants to take train to Ibadan from Abeokuta.
Yeah, right.
So I'm following her. You know, she cannot go alone, so I have to follow her.
Seriously.
So I have to follow her so that she not get lost. So I'll show you guys when we get there.
Alright, bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Sorry if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like my videos. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
What do we boy out?
I feel look you here.
3,000.
1 kilo. I got some. Pure. 5K. Wow. No. Come on. Guys, we drew money. Let me just you guys so. You know they actually collect like 500 naira for 5K or 600. Yesterday we collected 5K for 700 naira. But guess what, guys? We collected 5K for 200 naira here. That's the deal. You see your girl is glowing now. Come on. Ladder. Hello, ni ladder. 150. Báwo ṣe máa tẹ́ bá ń lọ?
Máa gbọ́ dé ládé ní sọ ẹ máa gbé báyìí ìtòsí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ìdúró tó ẹ máa gbé báyìí.
So yeah, this is laddering. Popular laddering. Okada. Train station. Yeah. So they say the number they will carry two of us for 200 and they are saying 800. Abeokuta, Professor Wole Finka Station. God I beg.
God please.
It's even dry.
Like,
but it's dry. Live and direct at
Professor
Wole Finka's
station.
Railway station, train station. We have to use money to buy nose mask
that we have at home.
In this Nigeria.
Oh my god.
Wow. Everywhere is dry.
Fucking dry.
Okay. We'll soon get there.
What the fuck?
Kim. It's 9:30 and 5:30.
Wow.
So, on getting here, we read this thing, and we are just seeing that Friday is only 9:30 and 5:30, and Bukumi the train girl. We are off.
Not too bad.
Inside Kurokwe. So guys, we are leaving. No, you cannot stay till.
Going.
Cannot stay till that 5 p.m. We'll go and do Kurokwe. We'll go and carry load for somebody. Enter.
As my friend did not see train to enter, we shall left to, and here I told her to do a short video for me, and look at me enjoying myself and the view. Yes, the view.
Hi guys, I'm now at home, and my friend Bukumi has gone to Ashero Garage to take bus to Ibadan. So this is the lesson. Don't believe anything you see on the internet about this train station, because they only have 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5:30. So that's just it now. And another thing that we did, okay, me, I'm like, train station is at Ladim. So we took cab to Kuto first. We took cab to Ladim from Kuto. Then we now took bike to the train station. So when we're now coming back, we said we should try bike because we don't have enough money again. So that was how the bike man said he's going to Olokuta. So Olokuta is close to our own area. You won't believe that when we were going, we could have taken bike of 300 naira to the train station. Just wasted a lot of money to that place. So guys, that's just it. It was a bad experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.